morning, everyone. I am Dr. Narendra Singh Chauhan. Today, I am going to discuss about tribes in India with you and going to share some certain research insights with you on tribes. There are many doubts about the tribes in India. Who are the tribes? What are their characteristics? What is their number? What is their population? And how they are different from us? And moreover, we will also discuss about little bit about their problems. So let us start with the idea or the introduction on tribes. Tribes are called by different names such as Adivasis, Janjatis, primitive people, indigenous, aboriginals. They are the real inhabitants of this land. There are many tribes in India which popularly called as Gonds, Bhils, Santhals, Orions, Meenas, Andamanis, Onjas, Jarvas. There are certain tribes which we are very much acquainted. These are Bajigars, Borias, Gandilas, Nuts, Sansis, Gujjars, Bakarwals, Gaddis. These are the tribes which are found in the northern area of the country, or we can say in the region of J&K and Punjab. Tribes are mentioned in the Constitution of India under Article 342. There are almost 705 tribes in India as per the census of 2011. Out of 705, there are 75 tribal groups which are primitive ones. They constitute 8.6% of the total population of the country, and the area which constitutes major proportion of the tribes included the highest proportion percentage wise is Mizoram. Mizoram constitutes 94.4% of the total population of the state, then followed by Nagaland 86.5, then Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Sikkim and Tripura. If we look into the numerical strength of the tribes, then Madhya Pradesh stands first. If we look into the Jammu and Kashmir, J&K constitutes 11.9% of the total state's population, which is almost the 1.43% of the India's total tribal population. Now come to the definitions part. How we define the tribes? There are many scholars who have tried their best to give a uniform definition on tribes, but they have not been successful, but attempts has been there, like the definition given by D.N. Mazumdar. Mazumdar says, a tribe is a collection of families bearing a common name, members of which professing the same territory, speak the same language, and observe certain taboos regarding marriage, profession or occupation, and have developed a well-assessed system of reciprocity and mutuality of obligations. In the same manner, there are other definitions given by Imperial Gazetteer of India and S.C. Dubey. But these definitions are not complete. So, an acceptable definition or acceptable criteria on the basis of which we declare any community a tribal community is given by the Lockyer Committee. Lockyer Committee says there are 5 characteristics which are important to put any community into the category of tribes. The first characteristic is primitive traits. Second is distinctive culture. Third is shyness of contact with the community at large. Third, geographical isolation. Fifth, backwardness. So before going into the detail, I want to share some pics with you on tribes. So just see, there are some tribals, Bakarwal tribes, Gujjar tribes there, Bajigars, Shikligars. Now come to the features. what are the major features of tribes? First feature of tribes is nomadism. Nomadism is the basic feature of a tribal society. You have seen many groups like Gujjars, Bakarwars, Gaddis, those who always move from hilly areas to plains and then plain to the hilly areas in the search of green pastures, depending upon the climatic conditions. Nomadism is their way of life. It is not just restricted to their earning livelihood, it is more than that. Then the second characteristics of tribes is chieftainship, means the tribes have a head, chief, who takes all the decisions regarding their political life, regarding their social life, regarding their cultural life or administration. The decision of the chief is final. If any member of the tribe go against the normative setup of the tribes, that person is punished or sentenced according to the norms of the tribal society, and the decision of the head is final. Another characteristics of the tribes is totemism. Totemism means the tribals believe that every part of the nature carries soul, carries superpower, some powers, supreme powers. These powers may harm or may prove well. If you do any harm to these totems, the totem may be an object, may be an animal, may be an plant, which is considered sacred by a tribe, and the killing of that and the paying disrespect to that particular totem or object or animal is considered inauspicious and something which is not acceptable by the society. And if anybody tries to pay disrespect to this totem, they believe that some mishappening could take place. For example, for some tribes, cow is a totem. For some tribes, crow is a